How to change HEIC photos to JPG format. It's very easy. Dr.Fone is a reliable solution for converting HEIC photos to JPG format, enabling easy accessibility across multiple platforms. For that, follow the steps below to understand how Dr.Fone can assist you in becoming the ideal HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Open Dr.Fone and access the tool after connecting iPhone. Launch Dr.Fone on your computer and connect your iPhone with the wireless or wired connection. As the connection is established, select the iPhone from the left panel to open the Home dashboard for phone management. Continue to choose HEIC converter from the options on the home screen. Step 2. To add images for conversion. A new window opens where you have to add HEIC photos for conversion. Choose your images by clicking the plus Add Files button. Step 3. Continue adding files or start conversion. Add them to the platform after successfully browsing the images. Continue adding more HEIC images by clicking the Add Files button. Once done, continue by tapping on Convert. Step 4. Alternate method of adding HEIC images. Conversely, you can drag HEIC images into the platform for conversion. Step 5. Let the conversion process conclude. As the conversion process starts, a pop-up window appears showing the completion percentage of the process. If you wish to cancel the process, click Cancel on the pop-up. Step 6. View converted photos and conclude process once the conversion completes. Click OK or continue to view the files to check how well Dr.Fone has converted HEIC files to JPG. Stay up to date with a continuous flow of product guides that will be uploaded on a regular basis on this YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Go and click the bell icon so you will get all the notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. So please don't forget to ask us any question if you have in the comment section. We are looking forward to give you some more valuable information so you can get the best out of this product, and it has some amazing features that you yet need to be aware of. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Have a great day.